Hey everyone, welcome back to PMLearn. I'm your host, and today we are diving into a topic that most people try to avoid, but in Scrum we actually embrace it: conflict management. If you want your team to be high performing, you need to know how to handle the heat. Let's get started. Now, you might think conflict is a bad sign, but in Scrum it's actually healthy. When team members debate about how to build a feature, they are digging for the best solution. Real world example: imagine a developer and a QA lead arguing over a bug. The developer thinks it's a feature, the QA says it's a failure. This debate forces them to define the requirements more clearly, which ultimately makes the product better. So, why do we fight? Usually, it's about the eight tensions: schedules, priorities, resources, hierarchy, technical issues, procedures, personality, and cost. Example: if the product owner wants a feature by Friday, but the team knows it takes 2 weeks, that's a priority and schedule conflict. It's normal and it needs to be managed. There are four main ways we deal with conflict in Scrum: win, loss loss, and win loss. Only one of these is the gold standard. Let's break them down. Win is the goal. This is where we face problems directly with a cooperative attitude. Real world example: two developers disagree on which database to use. Instead of fighting, they list the pros and cons of both and realize that using a hybrid approach solves both their concerns. Both feel heard and the project wins. Next is lose win. This is the silent killer. It happens when someone feels undervalued and just gives up. They say, fine, do it your way, even if they know it's a mistake. Example: a junior developer has a great idea to spend up the code, but a senior developer shuts them down. The junior developer stops contributing ideas for the rest of the sprint. This is a huge loss for the team creativity. Loss is the suboptimal compromise. This is where everyone settles for a middle ground that actually satisfies no one. Example: two team members argue over who gets the best desk. They end up moving the desk to a noisy hallway where no one can work. They both lost and the project's productivity dropped. Then we have win loss. This is often driven by ego. One person acts like the boss and forces their way. In Scrum, no one has authority over another. Example: a Scrum Master tries to order the team to work overtime. The Scrum Master wins the hours, but the team loses their moral and trust. It's toxic for a self-organizing team. So, what does the Scrum Master do? They don't fix the conflict. They facilitate the resolution. They ensure everyone speak at the daily stand-up and keep the environment safe so win-win outcomes are possible. To wrap up, focus on win-win, watch out the people withdrawing, and remember that healthy debate is the fuel for innovation. Thanks for watching PM Learn. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PM tips. Any questions? Drop them in the comments below.